Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. In this video, we're going to be learning how to start a RAV4. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So what you do is you open your door just like so, and you let all the hag neighbors listen to you and watch you because you're a superstar. So once you get in, close your door, and then push on your brake, and you're going to want to have this has got to be with you. It's got to be with you, the fob, the key fob. So you have your key fob within a certain distance of this button. Hold it, push and hold. And there it is, it's on. Let go of the brake, and you are good to go. That is how you start a Toyota RAV4 2010. So, and then everything will pop up. You're in park, and you have an old chocolate mocha, and you're a superstar. So when you come outside, there's a couple neighbors that are always watching. They live at home all the time, and they're handicapped, and not by it's kind of like a fraudulent handicapped, where they just don't want to work, and they don't want to go anywhere because they have probably serious anxiety issues, but what have you. But anyway, I mean, I know this for a fact. But they watch you all the time, everything you do. So if you come outside, they're closing their doors back and forth, just like old hag monsters. Oh my goodness, he's outside. So they close their door back and forth to let each other know that you're outside. Or they chirp their car horns, and then, or they flash their lights on and off, like their porch lights. And like you're coming outside to, I don't know, do some landscaping or trim some trees up, or I don't know, mow grass, weed eat. Just do normal stuff or get fresh air. Mostly just get fresh air. But then they're just all like super paranoid, and it's like you're watching me, but all this crime is going on all around you. So then you tell them that, and then they throw cameras up, and then you throw cameras up too, just to be fun, and then they go crazy about the cameras you put up. So it's an all around good time. So that's how you turn on a Toyota RAV4, and you yourself have a great day. Thank you. Alright, a freshly washed car is always a great car. This is the RAV4, and this is Mad Human Pizza, Toyota RAV4, and we went down and washed the car, and then we ran out our timer, and we didn't want to put more money in, so we came back and rinsed it off ourselves. And see, it's Toyota RAV4, and that's how you start a vehicle. And it's a lot of fun. So you put your seatbelt on, click it, or tick it, and have a great day.